What's going on, guys? It's Monday, so welcome to another episode of Not Monday. This week, we got the perfection loop. The perfection loop is most commonly used by fly fishermen to make a loop-to-loop connection between a fly line and a leader. So a lot of times fly lines come with a welded eye in the end of them, and so you'll tie a perfection loop in the end of your leader, and this is how you'll connect your leader to your fly line. Now, to tie it, we start by making a loop with the end of our line, and then we make a second loop that sits on top of the first loop. Then we'll take the working end of the line. We'll go under, over, under, over. Then we're gonna take that loop on top and we're gonna pull it through the bottom loop. Now, once you've done this, you just pull everything tight and you've got your perfection loop. Hope you guys learned something. Let me know what knots you want to see in the comments down below, and I will see you guys on Wednesday.